Hi, today is the 7th of May and let's look at some of the markets once again, starting with the S&P 500. The last time we looked at the S&P 500 was here and we were looking for a fast move down to break these lows and start wave 3 of 3. Just to take you back, this was supposed to be wave 1. This 3-wave move was wave 2, then a 5-wave move down for the wave 1 of 3, a 3-wave move for wave 2 of 3, and third of 3rd was likely to start at that time. However, this fall did not happen and we had this rise on Friday. So what is happening now? Now this rise on Friday converts this wave down into a 3-wave move, which is not an impulse wave. Therefore, the fall below these lows is yet to come and yet to confirm a wave 3 down. So what else is happening? So let us blow up this price action on the hourly chart and see what could be the alternatives. So on this hourly chart, it is possible that the wave 2 of the 3rd wave is not complete and it is tracing out a double zigzag, with this first zigzag being W, a second zigzag being X, and the Y to finish the second wave. And in this process, this is likely to fill this gap over here. So we are looking at market rising some more to fill this gap and then start wave 3 of 3 down. That is one possibility. The another possibility is that, for that let's go back to the daily chart. The other possibility, which is a remote possibility, is that this market top is not yet in and this is a running 4th wave triangle. And if that is the case, then we are looking at A, B, C, D, E, and therefore a breakthrough to newer highs to finish off the uptrend. But that is a remoter possibility than a double zigzag in this area. So we'll continue to monitor the price movement and I will comment on this later on in the coming days and weeks. Now I had recorded the last video on the Bank Nifty on the 29th of April right here where the arrow is, and that time my count suggested that we were in for a sharp rise to the top with a first target of 27,563 and a final target of 30,900. Now after that the Bank Nifty continued to go up and it went up today as well. There is a nice breakaway gap here and there is another breakaway gap here. And we will see that this rise in the 3rd wave started off with a 5, corrected, then another third of the 3rd is now on. So our forecast is right on track and we continue to be bullish on the Bank Nifty for much higher targets as before. I am posting the link to my 30th April video below in the comment section, which you can see for reference. Remember, now we are in a third of a third. So there has to be a very big breakaway gap, or rather an acceleration gap, right, in the next couple of days. So let us see, maybe tomorrow is the day when Bank Nifty really fires and everybody catches its attention. So that is all for today, and we will cover the Nifty in the next video, which is also doing quite nicely. Thank you. Bye bye.